Are you finding it difficult to get access to a product or service or courses? Maybe you watch a video on YouTube and you love everything about the course or product or the service and you want to get access to it. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can get access to it on YouTube channel. Example, let me say I watch a video on YouTube and someone talk about the product or someone talk about the service or someone talk about the course, and I really want to get access to it. There's a way you can sign up directly from your YouTube without even going into the person DM. So watch this video to the end to get details on how you can get access to any product or service with just your smartphone. So right now, or your system, right now I'm going to go to my Chrome browser. No, sorry, I'm going to go to my YouTube channel. So this is my YouTube. So let me see now. I want to know more about Greater platform. So then I just tap on Greater. Greater platform is a platform where you sell people's products to earn commission. Also, you have access to learn AI data skills. So can you see? So a lot of so you can see a lot of video pump up. You can see a lot of video from different creator. You can see. So let me say I want to watch this video. I'm coming. Okay. Let me say I want to watch this video. Let me say after watching it, let me tap on this video.
Never worry about rolling out of airtime or data again. Download OPay and enjoy up to 6% cashback on all your airtime and data purchases. Fast, secure, and what do I need to start? How do I join?
So let me say after watching the video and I want to get access to it, I'm going to tap on this more. You can see more beside the title. Then I'm going to slide down and get details. So you can see the new oil, because sometimes when some people do video and they drop the link to get access to the app or get access to the product or get access to any course or their service. So let me see, okay, now assume, okay, you can see the new oil program of Great Star. Then you tap on this link, you can see, then you tap on it and it's going to take you direct to the dashboard. That is how you can sign up for any course, a product. I'm going to show you another method to get access to any product after watching a video. So you can see. So simple. Then you just slide down and purchase whatever you want to purchase. Okay, this is a new oil program course. So if you want to learn about affiliate marketing, just get the new oil program course and you have access to learn a lot of things. Let me slide and show you what you are going to learn in the course. So before, okay, you can see you're going to learn about introduction about affiliate marketing, finding the right niches, personal branding, production selection, lead and traffic basic, and a lot of things. So if you want to get access to it, just lie down. You can see testimony of different people. You can just go through it and then you tap on check out now. So that is how you can sign up for the new oil program. So let me show you the other method to get access to any products. I'm going to go back to my Chrome browser, to my YouTube channel, sorry. So I'm going to write to load. Okay, so let me search for Greater. Okay, you can even search for the name. Maybe you know the name, you know the name of the person. You can search for the name, so you can see. Okay, let me say, okay, now I want to watch this video. So after watching the video, so let me say after watching the video, I'm going to come to this place. Okay, let me use another person. Let me use another person video. So let me say, okay, I don't know. Okay, let me check if this person. So after watching this video, it's going to take me to his page. You can see, then you tap on this small side, you can see link, you can see learn editor skills, then you tap on it to get access to whatever that person is selling, learn editor skills, then you have access to it. So let me make use of my account to show you. For those of you asking that how can I have access to the new oil program, so let me see, now you tap on my account, you tap on more, you are going to see, you can see my email, my WhatsApp number, sign up for purpose, get access to greater, then you tap on it and then you get access to the product. That is how you can get access to any product. You can check the description below, or you check the person YouTube profile. That is where you have access to, because it's very simple. So you don't even need to go to the person DM. You don't need to stress yourself going to the person DM, WhatsApp DM or Telegram DM. Just, check the person profile, YouTube profile, or check the description below, and then you can click to any link you see. You make sure you read before you click, before you go and buy another course or product, or before you go and request for another service. So make sure you read it and then click on the link. It's going to take you to whatever you want to buy. It's very simple and very. If this video is helpful, kindly like, kindly subscribe, and also in this my YouTube channel, I always post about how to make money with your smartphone. So make sure you're on your notification button whenever I post any video about anything. You'll be the first person to say. Thank you for watching and God bless you. Peace out.